Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is NonCG's TV. So guys, I'd like to walk you through on the new website, which is Looka.com. So with this new website, you can generate your logo for free. You don't have to pay a graphic designer for a logo. You just have to add up some things in order to generate a logo. And this Looka.com is working with artificial intelligence, which is AI. So let's go on to proceed. So on the search bar, just search for looka.com, looka.com. So this is it, looka.com. So guys, this is the website. As you can see the dashboard here. Design your own beautiful brand. Use Looka's AI-powered platform to design a logo and build a brand you love. So let's get started by signing up. Okay, I have an account, so let's log in. Alright, this is my dashboard. I just signed in. So let's go on. Just click on this menu bar here, and these are the options here. This is my save logos, this is logo generator, and this is upload new logo. So click on upload new logo, and there's also two options. There are two options there. I already have a logo. Choose this option if you already have a logo to use for your brand kits. And the other one, make a logo. Don't have a logo. Use Looka's AI powered design platform to get a logo and build a brand you love. So let's go on with this, make a logo. So guys, on this search bar, on these options here, you have to insert the name of your business, that is the name of your brand. So let's go on with something like okay, let's go on with nonCGs.com. Let's go on with NonCGs TV. So just click on continue. So there are templates here. There are already pre-designed templates here. You just have to choose the ones you like, just few of them. Okay, let's go on with this. Let's also choose this. Also choose this. So let's go on with this one. So you have to pick a color. That's pick some colors you like. Colors help convey emotion in your logo. So I think we should go on with red. So click on continue. So you have to enter your company's name here. Let's also go on with that, NonCGs TV. So on the other line, you have to add a slogan, but this is not necessary. So you can see it's optional. So let's just leave that one and click on continue. So the next step is to pick up to 5 symbols. So let's just pick symbols. That's what your business is all about. let's choose this camera. Okay, this is also optional, so I think we should skip this. We are generating some logos for you. Click a design to preview and see different versions. So guys, as you can see the logos here.